First install TensorFlow via pip, then verify installation by checking version and GPU availability for optimal performance. Check if TensorFlow is properly configured with your system. Test basic functionality by creating a string constant tensor. Enable GPU memory growth to prevent TensorFlow from allocating all GPU memory at once, allowing better resource management. Mixed Precision uses both float 16 and float 32 data types to speed up training while maintaining model accuracy on compatible hardware.